If you have spent any time looking for a prop firm, you already know the problem. Every review site looks the same. Total chaos. They list every firm, even the unreliable ones. The ones with terrible payout records, the ones that have been around for 18 months and might not exist in 18 more, the ones that quietly change their rules after you pass the challenge. Nobody is actually telling you the truth about which firms are worth your money and which ones are not. The ones that pay the highest affiliate commissions are just pushed to the top. That is the whole system. In our first video on this channel, we broke down the harsh truth about how prop firms make their money. Today, we are going to fix the other side of that problem, helping you find the right one. The prop firm industry now has over 100 firms offering funded accounts, and most review sites list all of them, because more listings means more affiliate clicks, more ad revenue, more sponsored placements. The result? Traders who get burned choosing a firm based on a flashy landing page or a ranking that was bought, not earned. We have covered how prop firms work, why FTMO removed swing accounts, how to use swing trading to pass a challenge. Every video on this channel is built on one principle: no hype, no noise, just the truth. PropFirmLab is that same principle turned into a tool. PropFirmLab.io is a prop firm comparison engine, built on one rule that makes it completely different from everything else out there. We only list firms we would actually recommend, and we would rather have 5 firms you can trust than 50 firms we cannot vouch for. For now, 5 firms have made the cut. 5? Not 50? Not 100. We are not rushing to add more. Every firm we list goes through the same independent scoring process. If a firm earns its place on the data, it will appear. If it does not, it will not. These are firms with real Trustpilot track records, tens of thousands of verified reviews. Firms that have been consistently paying out traders for years. Firms whose rules are transparent and have not changed overnight on traders who already passed. Every firm on PropFirmLab has a PFL Score, a proprietary rating built from 8 independent data points. Trustpilot rating, profit split, payout speed, years in operation, rule fairness, and value for money. No firm can pay to rank higher. The data drives the score. That is it. If you watched our video on FTMO versus FundedNext, you already understand why that independence matters. Rankings that can be bought are worthless. Rankings built on data are not. When you land on PropFirmLab, the first thing you see is the comparison engine. Filter by challenge type: 1-step, 2-step, or instant funding. Filter by what matters most to you: fastest payout, highest profit split, cheapest challenge, or best for beginners. Every firm card shows the metrics that actually matter, side by side. Not a curated highlight. The full picture. You click into any firm and you get a full independent review. Pros, cons, how the challenge works, who it is best for, and a complete FAQ. This is the resource I wish existed when I was choosing my first prop firm. So I built it. The link is in the description. PropFirmLab.io. If you are about to attempt a challenge, spend 5 minutes there before you spend $1 on a challenge fee. Compare the firms, read the reviews, check the scores. And if you find it useful, share it with someone who has been asking you which prop firm to use, because now you have a real answer. We update the data every week. Every score, every Trustpilot rating, every rule change, as soon as it happens. PropFirmLab. Built by traders for traders. Link in the description. Subscribe to Trading Mind HQ for weekly trading education. No hype, no noise. See you in the next one.